Good evening, students. My voice is audible, no? So we'll wait for another 2-3 minutes, then we'll start. Triangle chapter completed for all of you. If you have any doubt, then we can discuss those questions. Otherwise, we'll see some important questions. Tomorrow, which chapter will give test? Triangle, one chapter will give, then one more chapter.
So you're not audible.
Not audible. So now audible, no? Bhavya, those students. So able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Now it is. But can you increase the volume?
Volume
It's
is
too
set.
feeble.
1 second. Now fine. Actually, I need to buy one this now. You can say cover mic. Then additional volume will be there. 1 second, let me increase to maximum value. Fine. Now I've set to maximum limit. Why very few students are joining nowadays? Only 5 of you. Amrit, Arvind, Bhavya, Navneet.
Sir, I have some doubts in the test. Can we discuss?
Which doubts you have, Navneet?
Sir,
Okay,
in the test that we wrote on Sunday.
last test. Okay, 1 second. This is your test paper. 1 second. See, Arvind, this now in comment section now we have to mention this now something is answer or let have this now PDF something you have to write. Then only option is there for us to enter the marks. So as you not
Okay,
mention anything now, so automatically the system takes not applicable, so you cannot give the marks.
okay, sir. Next time also I'll type
That is
answer
the-
in that.
No problem, because many of the students who are there in Chanakya tutorial from the last 2 years, 1 years, they also having this the same problem. Repeatedly seen this no in we can say notice also, or we can say instructions also, I have clearly mentioned in bold letters. That is very
Okay,
important.
sir. Okay, sir.
No issue, because next time you can make a note of it. Next time properly give. This
Okay,
is
sir.
test paper. 1 second. Test report. What was the issue with Nandit? You have in this question, no doubt.
Sir, I have a question where we need to find difference between height of lighthouse and height of
Right,
building.
difference will be 20. No? Let me open that. This is your PDF. And this now question number was, I think, this one only, right?
Yes, sir. Fifth
Fifth
one.
one. Fifth one you can see from here. I've given you 1.5 marks. See, the difference between the height of the lighthouse and the building we have to find, and then distance between the lighthouse and the building. Okay, so 20 root 3 you have answer 20 root 3, you have your answer 20 root 3. But here you can see height of the lighthouse, this. So it is 20, and height of the lighthouse. What is this lighthouse? 80. Actually, I have seen from your PDF, not from this topper. Because here we have mentioned height of lighthouse 60 plus 20, 80. But only you have to find difference of this now. It is 80 will be the answer, but you have to write only value this now. Difference of the height, difference between the height of the
Sir,
lighthouse
I
and the
wrote
building is
again
20.
in the end.
In topper,
In the end of the sum, I wrote again distance between lighthouse and building and differences in their height also. Yeah,
20,
yes.
20, no problem, say fine. So 1.5 marks you can add, not an issue. 1.5 marks I have given you. And you can edit 2 marks. So mainly 1.5, 2 marks, 1 mark here and there is not an issue, because ultimate purpose is to get good marks in boards. Because here it's important, but not so much important. Fine. So got how much now? Means you can add 1.5 marks additional in your mark sheet. No problem. Now we'll see questions from triangle. So these are the 10th number. 10th number, please try once again, because 9th and 10th are important questions from exercise 6.2. 9th and to 9th we have solved last time. Now we can try. Everyone will try 10th one, and those who have completed, they can once again check their answers. Before starting next exercise, we will see 10th number. So diagonals of the quadrilateral. Diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at O, at point O, such that this now AO by OB equal to CO by DO. You have to show ABCD is a trapezium. All of you got the proof. This we can make a star mark. This is 9th and both are important, but 10th is even more important than 9th one. Tomorrow you all can give test of triangle and surface. No, surface area related to circle. Fine. Because triangles we are doing, and then circles we have last time circles we had. So this time area related to circle. Circles we can give 2 chapters from maths. What the answer for this question? 10th one. Anyone? So AO by OB and CO by DO ratios is given. Then we have to prove ABCD is a trapezium. Then okay, Apurva got the answer, got the proof. I want from everyone. Last 2 minutes more. Then we will discuss this question. See. Okay, Navneet, good. So 2 students got the answer, Apurva and Navneet. So in this question, question number 10, if we solve, see, we have to prove this now, this quadratic is trapezium. So we will make trapezium itself, make this trapezium one trapezium, because ultimately we have to get trapezium only. So let us draw trapezium ABCD, ABCD in sequence. And here we have given quadrilateral of quadratic, we have to prove a trapezium. So we will draw shape of trapezium only. ABCD intersect each other at O. Diagonals of this ABCD quadrilateral intersect at O. So we'll draw diagonals AC and BD, and they will intersect at O. Now we have to show ABCD is a trapezium. So given a quadrilateral ABCD and its both diagonals intersect at O. See, intersect and bisect are 2 different things. Bisect means they divide each other into equal parts. And intersect means they just meet at O. Or we can say they will just intersect at O. And also they have given AO by BO equal to CO by DO. CO by DO, this is given. to prove quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium proof. So now we can see now AO we can write by BO. So AO by BO is given, okay, from AO by BO already it is in set pattern, AO by BO, CO by OD, okay. So AO by OB, or we can say BO, no problem, equal to OC by OD or CO by DO, no problem. It's given, and we can write this angle will be equal because vertically opposite angle, and we can write angle and angle AOB equal to angle, how we can write COD, because A will match with C, B with D. This is VOA, vertical opposite angle. Hence, triangle AOB will be similar to triangle COD. Why COD? Because this angle A will be equal to angle C, and angle B will be equal to angle D, alternate D angle. And this triangle will be similar by which criteria? We can say side angle side similarity criteria, because side, why we got side angle side? Because these are given side angle side, one side, two sides ratio we can say this time, and one angle, two sides ratio and one angle between these two sides. So by side angle side similarity condition, these two triangles are similar, hence we can say hence angle, we can name this as 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4 by CPST, corresponding part of similar triangles, corresponding part of similar. In congruency we write this now, corresponding part of congruent triangle here, similar triangle. And now we can say angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate angles, angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate angles. Now angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles, and also 3 and 4, and also 3 and 4, and also angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate right and full interior angles. See, alternate interior angles are equal, that means sides will be parallel, because 1 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 2, 3 and is equal to 4. So we can say AB, alternate interior angles are equal, that means AB is parallel to CD. Because if alternate interior angles are equal, then these two lines will be parallel, or we say if two lines are parallel, then its alternate interior angles are equal. So we can write hence AB is parallel to CD. And see, we have this one quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel, then we can say ABCD is a trapezium. Hence we can say quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. But trapezium is basically a quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel, two sides are not parallel. Two sides are basic condition, the two sides will be parallel, that is the case of trapezium. We can see one question is here. We have solved this one, or we have proved by side angle side similarity condition, or side by side angle side similarity criteria. But no, we have not shared till now, because next exercise 6.3 is basis on side angle side similarity criteria. So in exam you can solve by this method also, because in exam whole book will come, and this now any one method you can use, So this was first method. We can say second method also we can, by second method we can solve. In second method we can take this now, we can solve by this now up to 6.2 we have studied, that is if this now this sides are equally, this now ratios are same, then this now the point which divides that this now side into equal ratio will be parallel to the third side. That was one theorem 6.1, I guess. So that theorem we can use in the second method. So in second method, once again we'll draw a trapezium ABCD, and we can say again we'll join this one diagonals AC and BD. Here O is the point. One construction we have to do. We can draw one line, that is EO. We'll draw one line EO, which we will prove parallel to this one. We prove parallel to CD, and this EO will be parallel to AB also. So we will draw EO parallel to AB. So it is parallel to AB, and this ratio will be same. What will be ratio? AE. We have drawn this EO parallel to AB. So in triangle ABD, see what is this triangle? ABD. This is the triangle, and in this triangle, EO is parallel to AB. So AE by ED equal to OB by OD. OB by OD. Now, what is the given condition? What is given condition? Given condition is AO by OB is equal to OC by OD. This was given. So we can use this condition. That is, now given is AO by BO or OB equal to OC by OD. So we can this now OB by OD. We can send BO above and this OC will come down. So we can say AO by OC equal to OB by OD. No problem. So this is first equation we have got when we take EO parallel to AB, and this is second equation, given condition. We can write given. So we can say right hand side for both the equations are same, OB by OD and OB by OD. So we can say hence AE by ED equal to AO by OC. Now we have to see where is AE. So AE we can see AE this much, and ED and AO by OC. Okay. So in this triangle, now EO will be parallel to DC. So we have taken this in triangle start. We have taken this ABD. Now in triangle ACD, it was ABD. So in ACD we got this ratio AE by ED equal to AO by OC. This was the ratio. Hence we can say ratios are equal. That means EO will be parallel to third side, that is CD, because EO divides two sides AD and AO, AD and AC in the same ratio. So that means EO will be parallel to CD, and now we already have we know EO is parallel to AB. So here EO is parallel to AB and always also with CD. So EO is parallel to CD also. Hence we can say basically AB will be parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, so trapezium condition satisfied, means two sides are parallel. That means this quadrilateral will be trapezium. So we can say quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. 3 dot we can draw 3 dot, and quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. So any one method you can use. Both the methods are correct. So by first method also we can see side and side similarity criteria. We can prove this triangle is similar to this one, and then we can take by CPST corresponding part of similar triangle, and 1 is equal to ML2 and ML3 will be equal to ML4. But these are 1, 2 and 3, 4 alternate triangles. So if you know the condition, so we have suppose two lines, and for which now this is one transverse and alternate triangles are equal, that means line L1 and L2 will be parallel. Similarly here also 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4, so that means AB is parallel to CD. We represent parallel by this arrow, and this is parallel to AB parallel to CD. So collimator, the 4 sides and 2 sides are parallel. That means it is a trapezium. Here also we can prove by taking the sides value. So note first solution also and second one also quickly, and then we'll see other questions from next exercise. This question can come in exam. First method noted. Just we have to prove two sides are parallel. Then we write hence collimator ABCD is a trapezium. Now please note the second method. Second method is based on our understanding till 6.2. So we have this property 6.1 theorem that the sides ratio, if one line is there which is parallel to next other side, then that particular line will divide the remaining two sides in the equal ratio. And reverse is also, this was 6.1, and reverse of that theorem is if the ratios are equal, it is given, then the line will be parallel to the third side. So I've drawn this EO parallel to AB, and we have taken triangle AB, which one? ABD. First was triangle ABD, and here we have seen in triangle ABD, because EO is parallel to AB, so A by ED is equal to OB by OD. And given condition, we can find OB by OD will be, it's given AO by OC. So we write A by ED will be equal to AO by OC. And second triangle will take triangle, this one, ADC. So in this triangle, AO by AE by ED, this one, AE by ED equal to AO by OC. That means they are in equal ratio. So this EO will be parallel to CD. But EO is parallel to AB. So we can say both AB and CD are parallel. Right. Now see next topic, that is criteria for similarity of triangles. What are these? Is the criteria for similarity of triangles. See, what are the criteria? Can anyone tell? In combination, we have lots and lots of criteria, but in similarity, we have only, we can say two criteria. We can say two criteria basically. So what are them? Criteria for similarity of two triangles. So first one we know. First one is AAA criteria or AA criteria also we can say. First one is AA criteria or AAA criteria. AAA also we can write no problem. So what it says, if two triangles are given, suppose triangle ABC, and then we have triangle PQR, and their angles are equal. Means any two angles are equal, then the third angle will always automatically will be equal. Suppose angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q. So we can say these two triangles are similar. So if angle A is equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q, hence triangle what will be order ABC will be similar to triangle A with A will come with B then Q in place of C R. Similarity correct. The third angle will automatically be equal. Then we have see triple S criteria is same only. Actually, we have triple S here also. Triple S, no problem. Triple S criteria we can write here also, not an issue. But in this triple S criteria, we have sides ratio, not side length. In this congruency case, we have equal sides. This is all the sides, all the three respective sides is equal to 3 respective sides of other triangle. Right. Right, Apurva. So triple S criteria in which now we have not side length, side ratio always. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. This is the main thing. Not side length, side ratio. So AB by PQ should be equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Then we can say if the two sides, if the ratios of the two sides of a triangle is equal, then we can say these two triangles are similar. Hence triangle we can say ABC is similar triangle. AB then BC, AB then PQ. So PQ and then R will come. So ABC is similar to triangle PQR because respective sides are in same ratio. AB then PQ, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR and AC by PR. AB then PQ, BC then QR, AC then PR. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. This is the second criteria of this one similarity. Third is basically side angle side. What is side angle side? Here also we have in congruency we have side length. Two sides length will be equal to this other triangle two side length and then one angle middle angle will be equal. Here we have ratio. Here we have ratio, not side length. So ratio will be equal and this now in between angle will be equal. See, suppose this is ABC and we have PQR. So suppose angle C is equal to angle R and AC by PR equal to BC by QR. So that means we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we can say if side angle side two sides ratio is equal and one middle angle between between these two sides middle angle is between this angle is equal. That means we can say by side angle side similarity criteria these two triangles will be similar. Triangle we can say AB. One second. If we write the condition, if AC by PR equal to BC by QR, two sides ratio will be same. AC by PR equal to BC by QR and an angle containing these two sides, that is angle C equal to angle R, angle C equal to angle R. If it is equal, if the two sides having same ratio and this angle containing between these two sides is equal, then we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. A then B, B then Q, C then R. These are the three main conditions for similarity. So fourth one, angle side angle possible or not? Angle side angle possible for this similarity condition or not possible? In this incongruency we had angle, two angles are equal and in this middle this one side between them is equal, then we can say triangles are congruent. Fifth one we had there RHS congruency, right angle. RHS means right angle, then one hypotenuse and one side. But in this now in similarity we don't have these two cases. In this incongruency we have angle side angle and RHS also, but in this similarity only three cases. AAA means all the three angles are equal, then triangle will be similar. When all the three sides are having the same ratio, then the triangles will be similar. And then last one is side angle side. Only three conditions. Side angle side means two sides and one angle between them. If they are equal, sides should be in equal ratio or same ratio, and between angle between them should be equal. Then we can say two triangles are similar. Now let's see next question. Fine. Any doubt till now? Because this is main thing for next exercise 6.3. Let me open the 6.3 here. This is they have explained in detail for the three cases: side, triple S, and side and side. These are three similarity conditions or even similarity criteria. (6.3) exercise. Here we actually started 6.3. Okay. 6.3. 13 number you can try because 13 is important question. This can come in exam. So, 13th one, please try in 5 minutes. Or we can say 3 minutes. Then we'll discuss this question. Everyone will try. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC. Diagram is not given. And ADC equal to BSC. Then D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC, no problem. Set angle ADC equal to angle BSC. So we can take, if we want to take one diagram, then we can assume this one. No problem. The figure is not given, but we can assume this one. And ADC equal to angle BSC. And then we can use this similarity condition to prove this one. CA square equal to CB into CD. We can make two triangles similar, and then we can see always CA square is there. Some multiplication term is there, so always we can take the ratio and multiply to get the answer. Anyone got the answer? See, less than 1 minute this meeting will end. Then 1 second, please join. We will try to cover this triangle by taking important questions.